I'm Wayne Pollock. I'm a thought leadership ghostwriter serving big law and boutique law firm partners. I help these partners build their practices and their prominence one word at a time. There's a lot of material out there regarding the problems that lateral partners and lateral practice groups have when they move to a new firm, generating on an ongoing basis the same amounts of business that they may have generated previously and that their new firms expected them to generate. One of the reasons for this lack of business generation is that the lateral partner / practice group isn't producing enough thought leadership at a fast enough clip to move the needle. By employing a thought leadership blitz, when these lateral attorneys, lateral practice groups join a new firm, they can use thought leadership to hit the ground running from a marketing and business development perspective and hopefully generate the kind of business that they hope to generate and their new firms hoped to generate. There's three main marketing and business development benefits that come from a thought leadership blitz employed by a lateral partner, lateral practice group. But before I get into that, let me explain what I mean by a blitz. All I mean is the production of thought leadership, marketing, and business development content at a faster clip than the attorney, the practice group was producing previously. Depending on the partner, depending on the practice group, depending on the size of the practice group, I think 1 to 4 pieces of thought leadership per month could be considered a blitz, and that is almost certainly going to be more content than the attorney / practice group had been producing previously. All right, let's talk about the 3 main benefits to this thought leadership blitz employed by a lateral attorney, a lateral practice group. 1, it's an excuse to reach out to that lateral's clients and referral sources and remind them both of the new firm they've joined and remind them of the knowledge and wisdom they have regarding the area of law they practice or the industry that they serve. A lot of times, lateral attorneys will just reach out to their referral partners and their clients and say, hey, I'm so excited I've joined this new firm. Here's my new information. I hope to talk to you sometime soon. But by giving a substantive piece of information, by giving thought leadership that reminds the recipient of that email, recipient of that communication, that this attorney, this lateral practice group has the goods and has the knowledge and wisdom to help them with their legal and business issues, that is a bit more of a robust reminder, a bit more of a robust communication than simply a 2-sentence email or text message saying, hey, I've joined this new firm. Second benefit is that the firm can show off its new capabilities to its clients and referral sources, and the firm's partners can cross-sell by explaining to their current clients and referral sources, hey, we have this new partner, this new practice group. They do X, Y, and Z. Here's some articles. Here's a recent blog post to give you an idea of the issues they're dealing with for their clients. We can help you with these issues, client or referral source. Give me a holler. I would love to introduce you. So the firm can use this thought leadership as, again, a more robust way to cross-sell than simply just saying, hey, I have a new attorney who joined, who's a new colleague, and he or she might be able to help you with these particular kinds of business or legal issues that it sounds like, based on previous conversations, you've been wrestling with. Finally, a third benefit of law firms employing thought leadership blitzes for lateral partners and lateral practice groups is that it helps them continue building a library of content for that new partner, that new practice group. As the law firm wants to reach out to clients, referral sources, maybe respond to RFPs, they're going to want to be able to cite content that proves that the new partner, the new practice group has, again, the knowledge and wisdom that's required to help a client with their legal and business issues. That library of content can be deployed, whether it's proactively for what I just mentioned, or perhaps when you've got some networking conversations happening between attorneys or staff members, or it can be discovered by people who are looking at attorneys' bios, who are looking at the firm's website in the practice group description, who are Googling around and searching for material on that topic. So in addition to helping the firm with the initial outreach regarding the new lateral partner or practice group joining, this Thought Leadership Blitz produces content that is on the website that can be deployed in third-party publications or on social media that helps with long-term discoverability and helps give the partners at the firm and the business development staff members of the firm a tool with which they can use to get more business related to the new practice group, the new lateral attorney. To be clear, there seems to be some serious issues when it comes to lateral attorneys, lateral practice groups, joining new firms, and actually meeting or exceeding their business origination expectations. But I think a thought leadership blitz that is employed by law firms and used by lateral partners and lateral practice groups can go a long way toward helping bridge that gap and hopefully help those lateral attorneys and lateral practice groups hit the ground running and get going with their business development efforts and their marketing efforts at their new firms. If you're interested in learning how to create the kind of thought leadership that would support a thought leadership blitz for a lateral attorney or a lateral practice group, check out lawfirmeditorialservice.com. We have plenty of videos, blog posts, and podcast episodes that could help you do just that.